OceanWorld Perspectives of the Sea is now on view at the Brickstore Museum and will be here through December. This exhibition is a collaboration between the museum and Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution with support from the Perloff Family Foundation. Make sure to find some time this summer or fall to come and explore our connections to the ocean. Humans use and understand the ocean in many ways, ecologically, economically, culturally, to name a few, and from prehistory to the present, the ocean has been here, guiding many aspects of life on this planet and in our community. As a coastal region, we are the place where ecological, economical, and cultural perspectives converge to define the ocean as we experience it today. This video series will explore areas of the exhibit in case you can't make it in, and today we are talking about the Minke whale skeleton that is on view in the Maine gallery and actually launched the idea for this entire exhibition in the first place. Whales have a long history here. As the Gulf of Maine has changed over the last 4,000 years, its ecosystem has supported a mix of whale species. Climate change and fishing activities continue to shape whale populations in the region. At different periods in history, species like the bowhead whale may have retreated northward as the Gulf of Maine warmed, while other whales, such as the right whale, persisted. Human activities, including fishing and shipping, have dramatically reduced some populations, once abundant but now critically endangered. If we look back into history, Andrew Walker, Kennebunk town clerk in the 1850s, in his diary he once wrote on June 6, 1856, he said, "Within the last fortnight 2 whales have been harpooned and brought to the harbor at Cape Porpoise, and about 20 barrels of oil were obtained from each whale." The vessel which towed the whales to the Cape was owned and manned by persons belonging down east. Here you'll see the Minke whale skeleton that we have here in the Brickstore Museum's OceanWorld exhibit. This northern Minke whale, measuring 16 feet in length, was found in the summer of 2023, deceased on the Cape Porpoise Islands. With permission from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the museum's archaeology team collected the carcass and over the past 2 years have treated it to be kept in the museum's collection. In general, the Minke whale is a type of baleen whale and typically lives between 30 to 50 years in both the northern and southern hemispheres. Minke whales are commonly found in Maine's waters, particularly during the summer months when they migrate here to feed. They are a protected species under the Marine Mammal Protection Act, and since January 2017, elevated Minke whale mortalities have occurred along the Atlantic coast, with the most happening in Massachusetts and Maine. Scientists have named this period in history as an unusual mortality event, which involves a significant die-off of any marine mammal population. Tracking these events are important because they serve as indicators of overall ocean health. We're very happy here at the museum to have this specimen in our collection to be used for years to come by the public and by us here at the museum. In closing, a fantastic children's book to pair with this exhibit is called The Whale Who Swam Through Time, which explores human history from the perspective of a bowhead whale, which can live to 200 years old, and in the book it observes many changes over 2 centuries. Happy exploring!